Hello, good morning students. I have already explained logo chapter logo mathematics first portion. Now today I am going to discuss the remaining portion. So next we have the function difference function. Difference, from the word difference you understood there is a subtraction. So this function is for subtracting one number from another number. If we use print command and the difference command, we can use the result as in command window. So we can write both way. We can write difference of number, first number then second number. For example, here m and n, difference between m n. Let us see an example. Here written print difference 60/40. So what will be the result will come? Result will come 20. So it is printed 20. Next, if we want to display result on the main screen, so what will happen? What we will do? We use label function. So what you should write? Label difference 60, 60/40. So you see that result 20 has come in the main screen. So it is one of the important function in logo. After that we have multiplication function. This function used to multiply normally two numbers. If we use the print command, what will happen? The product command will see the result in the command window. First we will write product first number, then second number, then write print product m comma n. Then what will happen? Print product 60/40. So it will display 2400 as you know. So if you want to add more than two numbers, we can add using brackets. We can multiply using brackets. Okay, I'll show you the example. See here, for example, if we do not use brackets, so there's a big importance of using brackets. Suppose if we do not use bracket, suppose I am giving a command print product 10, 20, 30. What it will display? It will display 200. What is happening there? First will display 200 means it will product or it will multiply first two number. But the correct thing is that by using bracket, if I write print bracket first bracket product 10, 20, 30 first bracket closed, so it will display the correct result, that is the 6000. And as usual, if you want to display on the main screen, we can use it the label command. What you write? Label product 60, for example 60/40. It will display the result here the main screen 2400. Okay, this is the work of a multiplication function. Next we have quotient function. Quotient function is getting the quotient of when we divide one number by another. Suppose quotient function is given, like we used to write like that, quotient mn. M is the first number, n is the second number, or you can write print quotient m comma n. Suppose I will write print quotient 30 then 3. So what will the quotient will come? You know that 30 tens are, after dividing we will get the result 10. Okay, so this is the work of a quotient function. And also if we want to see in the main screen, we will use label function. What is the work of a label function? We will add label quotient 3, 30 then 3. It will display 10 in the main screen. Okay, so this is the purpose of using label function. And last we have remainder function. This function is used to remainder when we divide one number by another. If we use print command and sum command, then we can do this way. So what will be the right? We will write print remainder 30 then 3. What will the remainder will come? There will be no remainder, it will display 0. And if we want to display the result on the main screen, so use label function. What will write? Label remainder 30 then 3. It will display 0 on the main screen. So these are the functions we need to work with a logo. Now some function we can use together also by mixing. I'll just tell you some examples. So now now that we know how to use mathematical functions in logo, let us try to use them. In the below example, we have used the remainder function with the product function. So what will write? Print remainder, then 50 into 2 space 4. It will display 2. Okay. So same way we can use the function together also, sum and product. So here we have written print sum 3 into 4 5. It will come answer 3 into 4, it will become 12. 12 will be added by 5, it will come 17. So two functions we can use together also. Here we are using the remainder function and product function, and here we are together using sum function and product function. Okay. Also we have examples this way also. We are using difference function and sum function. What we have written? Print difference 10 plus 2, then space 6. So it will add first, then it will differentiate, then result will come 6. Then we can write quotient function with the product function. So it will print quotient 10 20 into 3 2, 20 into 3, then 33. Then the result will come 20. And last we have print quotient 33 3. It will display 10. So these are the functions we can use together also. Now last thing is that how to exit from logo. To exit from logo, we will just type a command by, small or caps, no, doesn't matter. So we will type a command by, and then press the enter key, and we can easily come out from the logo interface. So student, this is the summary of the chapter. Please go through the chapter well. It's an interesting chapter. I think this chapter will give you some interest during studies. This is the explanation of the chapter. Thank you very much. Goodbye.